Well, hello friends, this is Lindsay for So Fontsy. Welcome back to another video tutorial. In today's video, we are going to be showing you how to use that really classic red Christmas tree truck design and apply it to a reverse canvas sign. So we'll be walking you through the steps on how to make a reverse canvas using that really classic Christmas tree truck design, and we'll go ahead and get started.
So you'll start with an art canvas that you can purchase from the craft store. And for the correct sizing for the design, the Christmas tree truck, then you'll measure the space inside the frame. Then you're going to use your cutting machine to cut out that Christmas tree truck design out of some heat transfer vinyl. So we are using Caesar Easy Weed. And while you can use any color that you want for your truck, we love that classic red color, so that's what we've chosen. And go ahead and just weed out the excess HTV and cut out all the different parts of the design. And then you'll need to remove the canvas from the wood frame, and you can do that with a craft knife. So they have these like snap-off blade craft knives that are nice because then you can just snap off the blade when it becomes dull, and then you have a nice fresh blade, and then you'll want a cutting edge, like a straight edge metal ruler, and you'll use that to just carefully cut the canvas away from the wooden frame. And then once the canvas has been completely removed from the wooden frame, then you can place the wooden frame on top of the canvas and just double check your measurements if you want, because inside the frame is where you are going to press the HTV, and you can press the HTV with either a heat press or even just a home iron. Just try to just visually center the design within that area where it's going to be framed. And then as for the frame itself, you can decide to stain it or paint it. And you don't have to spend much time sanding it. Less than 5 minutes can still give you a really nice smooth finish with just a sanding block. And then if you decide to paint it, then with just some chalk paint and a foam brush, you can get a really nice, beautiful finish. And I'm just going to paint right over the staples right in front of the frame there. And then once you've finished painting or staining, then you'll flip the canvas to the back and you'll apply a strong double-sided adhesive to the back of the wooden frame. And then you will remove the paper backing from that double-sided adhesive and then press it onto the canvas to adhere it. And you'll just, want to visually center the Christmas tree truck in the middle. And you can slightly pull on the canvas to make sure that it's nice and taut, stuck to the back of the frame, and then just trim off the excess that sticks out beyond the frame. And to make this Christmas tree truck reverse canvas sign yourself, you can grab this design in the Farmhouse Christmas Font and Design Bundle at So Fontsy. I threw a link in this video's description, so you can click on that to check it out. Thanks so much for watching, friends, and we'll see you next time. Bye!